Hey everybody, Brian here. It's Monday, June 30th. Let's look at this market. We did see the S&P 500 pull back 10 cents here today. Still above this prior important level, so 195.50 will remain important for us tomorrow and the next couple days. I think really 195 to 195.50 is where we kind of continue to give the benefit of the doubt to the buyers, and if we were to dip below there, then we might want to reassess. But again, we pulled back a little bit. That's okay. We're still holding that level, and as long as we are still above that, we're still innocent until proven guilty. And of course, the Nasdaq did hit a new high here today as well, closing up 16 pennies. So what we'll look for tomorrow is maybe if we see a pullback, 93.50 would be the important level to see hold. That's about where we have this prior resistance, and where that 5-day moving average ought to run up and meet this market as well. So that's going to be our first level of support. We're innocent until proven guilty as long as we remain above that level. The Russell 2000 was higher today as well, right up here against these highs that we saw last week. And of course, the daily time frame is still positive, and we are above a rising 5-day moving average. So I think the 5-day moving average is probably a more important level for the near term to continue to hold above. Semiconductors, we closed at another new high for these semiconductors. So the thought was perhaps we were going to correct more through time than price, but we're still in this primary uptrend as the market got back above that 5-day moving average in the 49 and a dime level. So we'll look for 49 and a dime for first level of support, and then 48.60 below that. Breaking 48.60 would be the only thing that would really raise my concern at this point. The financials probably a little bit more neutral here on the intermediate term. We have that declining 5-day moving average, and we have this prior little area of resistance up near 22.92-ish. The daily time frame, though, we still continue to hold above this prior resistance level. So we're going to give the benefit of the doubt to the buyers in here, and ideally we would turn sideways here a little bit, see that 5-day moving average flatten out a little bit, and then perhaps we could continue to move higher. Apple was up 95 cents today, so it broke beyond that level of resistance, and what we'll be looking for is that prior area of resistance to hold as support tomorrow. So perhaps pulling back towards about 92.20. We can see that this move began really 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago. So we could take a look at the 2-day volume weighted average price, which is currently right now at about 92.33, and the 3-day volume weighted average price at about 91.76. So I think that maybe a pullback down towards 92.50, you start to look for stability, and then perhaps the opportunity to buy this and look for the stock to run up towards about $100 a share. We do have a webinar here in a couple hours, so we'll talk about the stocks then. Thanks.